Hi students, today's MCQ, let us check the question. If set A is equal to PQRS and set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, then which of the relation from set A to set B is not a function? What we have to check is, out of the 4 relations given, we have 3 relations are functions. There is only one relation which is not a function that we have to figure out. Here, they have not defined the function. They have given us the ordered pairs. Looking at the ordered pairs, we have to say which is not a function. For this, you need to remember the basic definition of a function. What is the definition of a function? The first condition is every element of the domain set should have an image. That is, the considered set A should be the domain. That means all the elements of the domain set should have an image. Okay, that is the first condition. Now the second condition is no element of the domain should have 2 images, or no 2 element of the domain should be mapped to 2 elements. That is, the mapping should be distinct. For example, if we consider P cannot have 2 images, P should be mapped to only one element. Q should be mapped to only one element. But P and Q can be mapped to single element. But P cannot be mapped to 1 and P cannot be mapped to 3. That means all the elements of the domain should have image and mapping should be distinct. No element of the domain can have 2 images. Simple. Let us look at the ordered pairs. When we look at the ordered pairs, all the 4 elements of the domain should be the first elements of the ordered pairs. That is what we need to check. So let us check. Yes, P is the first element, Q, R, S. So first condition is satisfied. That means all the elements of the domain set has image. So first condition is satisfied in this case. Let us check for the second option also. That is option B also. P, Q, R, S. First condition for it to be function is satisfied. Now let us look at option C. So this is P, Q, P, yes. What is happening here? P is mapped to 1. P is also mapped to 2. But there is one element which is missed out. That is R has no image. It is not mapped to any of the elements. That means this is not a function. This doesn't have any image. That means first condition is not satisfied. It violates the very first condition of the function. Also, the second condition is violated. That is P is mapped to 2 elements. That is P is mapped to 1 and it is also mapped to 2. So that means it is not fulfilling both the conditions. So option C is the relation which is not a function. So our answer is option C.